Shanti, if the body is being made over and over again, cells are dying and new cells are forming, how do you explain where our memory lives?
Yes. So this is fundamental teaching of yoga. Medical science and physical science only deals with things which are visible. Our body is visible, cells are visible. We can see that cells are born and cells are dying. Brain also functions. Where is memory? So the fundamental theory in yoga philosophy is we exist as physical body, astral body, and causal body. Physical body, you can see, you can measure, everything, weight, size, shape, and all the changes. Astral body is abstract, and causal body is still abstract. So if you want to compare physical body and astral body, you can say all the nerves, which is gross body. But astral body has nadis. In Kundalini Yoga, nadis. Nadis are invisible, but they are counterpart of the nerves. Same way, brain is visible, but invisible part of the brain is the mind. So brain is the seat of the mind. We can not see the mind, but because of the movement in the brain, mind is expressed. So gross body is the only external expression for this life. We use gross body during waking hours. Astral body we use when we are thinking, dreaming, and daydreaming. This is where we use astral body. In the deep slumber state, we use causal body. So looking at this chart, you can see gross body in the outside, astral body inside, and causal body still inside, and self is subtler than that, is like a witness of everything. And again this self, I, is illusion because there is not one self, it is universal self. It's just like ocean is everywhere. Ocean is universal, but waves, bubbles, and foam are the manifestation of the ocean. So though they look different, but it's only one ocean. So looking from medical standpoint, you cannot check the mind, where mind is, because it's astral level. So to understand further, what happens when we die? Only gross body dies. Gross body functions because of matter is there and prana is there. Because of combination of matter and energy, everything happens. But eyes, has energy. But unless there is mind, eyes cannot see, ears cannot hear, skin cannot touch. But mind is invisible, but because of the mind, body functions. Mind cannot function unless there is consciousness. So, medical science is physiological science. Going beyond the body is metaphysics. And metaphysics cannot have validity, cannot be applied to everyone. There could be general principle. But what I experience deep inside cannot be shared by others. They have to experience themselves. Just electricity is common to everyone. Gravity is common to everyone. You can tell somebody, turn on the switch, light comes on. But to experience happiness or unhappiness, which is product of mind, you cannot tell them, you eat pizza or ice cream, you will be happy, because each one's mind is different. So this is main distinction. So when one goes in this direction, then one takes in consideration astral part and causal part. So looking further, causal is the subtlest and more pervading. Astral is less subtler and less pervading and gross stagnant. To understand, body, gross body is like ice cube. Astral body is like water and causal body is like vapor. If you really look at it, gross body has very limited power. Ice cube is limited. Water has much more penetrating power. It can go through the cracks. But smoke can go through anywhere. And Atman or Brahman is like space. It doesn't go anywhere. So if we understand that, then we cannot quantumize all this faculty. We measure the effect of it. So this is why we can measure the influence of positive thinking, influence of prayer, influence of meditation. All this influence you see in the physical body, but you can not pinpoint where meditation is, where mind is. We can only judge by seeing the side effect. Environments like Greg Braden, he did all the research, and he did on genetics. Greg Braden is well known. YouTube everywhere you can see. He did experiment on genetics on Petri's dish, kept the genes in different environment, and environment changed the genetic system. So the proof is that we are not stuck with genetics. With environment and change of mind, we can change that. So you cannot be connected only to the body. That is why holistic medicine they used to use in the past in Ayurveda to consider body, mind, consciousness all collectively. Okay. Does it make sense? Okay. And for now,